Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Misna Mutiamarasi. Position training is marketing department, and my internship start from 15 September 2022 until 31 January 2023. And I'm from University Teknologi Mara, ATM, Cawangan Terengganu, Kampus Kuala Terengganu, and I'm study information system and of business computing. I'm intern at Virtual Instrument and System Innovation (VC) at Karijaya. Today I will present you about the tutorial about how to make a simple website by using WordPress. First of all, WordPress is easy, quick and simple application for people who doesn't have any knowledge about coding. Firstly, before we go to the WordPress website, you need two things, which is hosting server and proper domain. Firstly, hosting server. There's many options in Google. If you search at Google, and you can just choose any suitable hosting for your website. For me, I will using cPanel because it's easy and simple for me to manage my website. This is the dashboard of the hosting panel. After that, if you have the hosting server and domain, you can go to install or download the WordPress. Firstly, open the WordPress logo and click install. You must fill the blank with your website information. Therefore, and then click install. After that, you can log in to training. After login to WordPress, we can see the dashboard, which is have home, post, page, and others. Firstly, click the page, add new, and then this is the website that we will be doing. Give the title, and then click using the DB builder. And you can choose either start from scratch or start building, or using browse layout. But for me, I will be using the from scratch. You click the build on front end, start building, and firstly, the header that will be start develop is click first row and choose image. Firstly, you go to the section, click background and choose background image. Use the background image and use any image that you want. Click and upload image, and there we go. Then we go to the header that we have put the image background. Click add new row. Take two sections, which is this, and put text. Okay, and based on this, let's go travel. You select all, make the first heading, and then go to the design, click to the heading text, and this is the design tab we can customize the text. Firstly, make the text bright color, which is light, at the text section, and then go to the heading text. Go to the heading font. We choose bold. We choose font style, and go to 50 pixels for this size of text, and then go to the then click save. This another section. You can add image for this based on the website that we want. Click insert module, search image, and click the image. You can upload any image you want, in your file. So I have already uploaded the file. You use this image and upload the image. You can see that we have already have the image. Okay, click OK. Okay, we have built the website, but you can see they have a button under the text. So you just go to this add new border, press button, and click button. Okay, based on this, then join us now. We go to the join now. Okay, go to design for making it different. Human text, make it light color, because this is light color, right? And then go to the button, use customize style for button at the design tab. Then go to size, we make it like 30. It's too big now. It's not. It's too big. So 15. Then and we 25. Sorry, my bad. 25. So big. 25 is okay. It's good. And then go to the bottom background. We use pink. Any color do you like? Maybe I just go with pink. That's all for me. Thank you. I hope you learned something from this video, and I'm sorry if any mistake happened. Also, I like to thank you, my supervisor, Mr. Hadi, for having me as an intern. And also, I hope VC continue to grow and more successful. Bye bye.